Welcome back to another Seek Optics replacement lens video. Today we'll be taking a look at Ray-Ban 2140 Denim Wayfarer. Okay, so we're going to start by flipping these over, and we're going to grab it here and here, and we're going to push in the center, and we're going to kind of pull out with these two fingers on both sides. Going to do the same thing over here. Again, we're just pushing in the center and kind of pulling out with the pointer fingers. Okay. And then once you have them out, you can flip them over to the front here. And we will install these. You're going to want to line up this back with the lens. So you have that in there. You're going to push down here and then there. It'll snap into place. Do that up here. Again, just lining up the top, and then the rest should pop in. Definitely want to start here then, and then it should pop in the rest of the way. And there you go. New lens is in, ready to go. Like, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.